Hey, listen. You are my everything, the person I can tell all my secrets to, the first person I want to talk to when I wake up, and the last person I want to talk to before I sleep. You are the first person I want to tell when something good happens to me. When I am troubled by something, you are the one I go to for comfort. You are so much more to me than my lover. You are my best friend, my favorite person, my comfort, and my strength. I am so lucky to have you. I just wanted you to know how happy I am to have you in my life. I am not the perfect girlfriend. I'll yet I'll get jealous. I am stubborn, I overthink, I get insecure. My mood swings are like a roller coaster. I'll probably never do anything right. But I promise you that if I give you my heart, it's yours. Keep it. I'll be loyal. I'll be here when you need me. I'll love you to the greatest extent I can. I'll treat you right, and I can do anything. I can hold our relationship together. I may not be able to hold you in my arms right now. I hold you in my heart every minute of every day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.